Well, the arts and crafts continue here on CoastLife. We've been getting you ready for Halloween, so you still have some time to make these crafts, and then put them around the house to decorate.
For sure.
And we've got another craft for you. Lauren Hitch has been amazing at coming up with all these crafts, and I think not only have you been amazing at finding these crafts, but also walking us through them, because that is a skill that not all of us possess.
Yeah, it was so funny. Tuesday, my son has ball games, and one of the grandpops of the kids came up to me, and they were like, "I saw you and Leah making those spider webs with the popsicles," and it was only like 5:30. Like, he had just finished watching the show, hurried over to the ball field, and I was like, yes, that was exciting. So these are so easy. Even Leah and I can do it.
Yes, exactly. The bar is low, my friends. The bar is low.
So today we're going to make little pumpkins here. And again, just out of pipe cleaners and maybe beads you have around your house. This one takes no glue. So if you're scared of the hot glue or the glue,
that's what I like to hear. Yes, no glue. You don't have as much mess, because even the Elmer's glue, even though it's not hot, I feel like that gets way messier.
Yes.
So
especially when you include kids in it. I mean, the kids are like Riker with anything with ranch or I mean, he's
just right. The full
I want to do it.
Yeah.
The chicken nuggets to ketchup ratio is way off.
Way off. Yeah, right. We'll get there.
So for this one, you just need pipe cleaners and beads. So
perfect.
You can use whatever color pipe cleaner you want. Obviously, I used orange for the pumpkin, but I don't think we have any orange left because we've been using some orange for the spider legs and stuff.
I'll do some black so that we still stick with our black and orange.
Nice.
How many?
So
of
you're
these
going to take
boys?
4 of them.
Okay.
So 4 pipe cleaners, and you'll kind of lay them all together in a row.
Okay.
Right. And then all you're going to do is twist the center a few times. So find your center point.
Okay.
And you're just going to kind of twist in the center a few times.
Okay.
Just so they're kind of locked together.
Yeah.
And then you're going to take and you're going to spread them out.
Ah.
So really have these guys, you know, almost touching there.
Almost looks like its own little spider.
Yeah, right. All right, and then you're going to take and you're just going to lay it flat in front of you.
Okay.
And what I did was kind of like pull some of these up a little bit, and that's really just so your beads, once you start adding them on, aren't going to end up all over the coast.
That makes sense. Lauren she's not messing around here today, folks.
So I'm going to go ahead and dump some orange beads out. Now, some of the cool pictures I saw online would be like different colors of orange, like different hues and shades and things, like make your pumpkin look
the overachievers that get celebrated.
Yes. And all you're going to do is you're just going to start putting some orange beads.
All right, let's do it.
So probably like, it just depends on how big you want it to be. You could even, you know, if you wanted to do some smaller pumpkins, cut the pipe cleaners in half and have some little ones. So then you'd probably only need like 6 to 8.
So a little pipe cleaner pumpkin patch while you're at it.
Right. A whole mantle full of pipe cleaner pumpkins.
Cute.
So you're just going to kind of start stacking these and go around. So one really cool thing we have coming up on the Delmarva Home Show, Leah, is we're asking people to send in their Halloween decorated houses.
Oh, perfect.
So at Christmas, we always go around to people's homes and tour them with their Christmas decor and their beautiful trees and whatever kind of theme they've chosen, you know, to decorate. And
makes sense.
That was fun. But with Halloween last year, we kind of just showed pictures, much like viewer photos on Outdoors Delmarva. So if you send your picture and you're like, this is Leah's cool house in Rehoboth, and check out these skeletons. You know, everyone's got them big 12-foot skeletons in front of the yard that they some leave up at Christmas and then just decorate with lights. But we want to see it. So please send pictures of your home. You'd put all that work into it. We might as well show it off.
Might as well show it
to
off.
our viewers. So send us pictures to Delmarva Home Show at WBOC for sure. And we'll put them on the show at the end of the month.
Woo, fun.
So
yes, we know we've got so many talented decorators out here on Delmarva.
I like the people that take the big spider webs off of like their A-frame, you know, on their house.
Yes.
And they put like the big spiders up it. Yeah. It looks so cool. All right, so once you kind of get all of the beads on and around, so they'll come up the side. So I think for this guy, I used actually about 16.
Okay.
So 16 on each side. And then what you kind of do is you just pull them all back together at the top, and you twist the top like I did here. And then I just added a little green piece off of it. Perfect. And then I had it kind of make a little curly, or you could take some of the green beads and put it up it as well.
Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
Plenty of good ideas here.
Look how cute this looks.
I know.
This is your final product.
Yeah, and you can bend it like whichever way. So sometimes if I crush it on the way here today, it's okay because you kind of just form it. It's just a pipe cleaner.
Readjust.
So you can make it a little narrower of a pumpkin or a little chunky pumpkin, whatever you want.
Nice and easy. We love that. And I know that your kids are going to love that too, and they're going to love doing a craft with you. Lauren, one more time, where can people submit their photos for their decorated houses?
Send pictures of your houses to Delmarva Home Show at WBOC.com.
Speaking of houses, maybe you're looking for your new happy place. We're going to introduce you to this week's Happy Place of the Week.
Welcome to 3597 Wooden Hawk Road in Greenwood. The fully renovated 4-bed, 3-bath home sits on nearly 2 private acres, combining modern amenities with timeless charm. The master suite boasts a tiled shower and generous closet space, while updated plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems ensure reliability. A new roof adds peace of mind, and the expansive deck is perfect for outdoor relaxation. Don't miss a chance to own a beautifully renovated home with ample space and privacy. Schedule your showing today. Happy Place of the Week is sponsored by the Parker Group.